Hi, my name is Rob Van Nelson with Steve Marshall Ford Lincoln. Me and my team are going to talk about 3 preventative maintenance items that can save wear and tear on your vehicle and save you money down the road.
Hey guys, my name is Nathaniel Hitchcock and I'm one of the technicians here at Steve Marshall Ford Lincoln, and today I'm here to talk about wheel alignments. Most people don't understand that a wheel alignment is a very important part of your preventative maintenance. It should be done every year or every 20,000 kilometers. Some of the key things that you're going to improve on your vehicle is stability, braking, and steering. You're also going to prevent wear and abnormal wear of your tires. So come see us here at Steve Marshall Ford to get your alignment done.
Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle and is one of the maintenance items that's commonly overlooked. Oil lubricates the moving parts of your engine, keeps internal engine parts clean, and limits engine wear. By changing your oil, you're preventing wear and tear that can lead to expensive engine repairs. In some of the worst cases, engine oil sludge plugs oil passages that can limit engine performance and cause drivability issues. Engine sludge can block oil galleries, leading to lack of lubrication and eventual engine failure. This is why we recommend an oil change every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers.
A tune-up is an often overlooked maintenance procedure that helps keep your vehicle running smoothly. If overlooked, you could run into problems such as misfires, poor fuel economy, or severe catalyst damage. A tune-up consists of replacing your spark plugs, fuel filter if equipped, and air filter if required. We recommend a tune-up every 100,000 kilometers to keep your vehicle running smoothly, your performance at its maximum, and your fuel efficiency at its best.
Come see us at Steve Marshall Ford Lincoln, where we can take care of you and your vehicle now and down the road.